Okay, and then that how I can adjust my clutch pedal movement. There is really good this example, and this comes from Toyota Corolla car, year model 2004. And now when I am adjusting this clutch pedal movement, clutch pedal goes to this hole. There is this nut, and I need now 12 mm wrench what fits in here. But before of that, I have to install this my clutch pedal, this bar and joint in this workbench wise, in this carefully, and then I install my tool in here. And now when I open this lock bolt, okay, now it moves. I have to install this part in this lock situation this way, good. And then I open this bolt in here, and let's look closer. Nice view. And now I open this nut. Now it opens, and this is only locking nut. And then when I like to adjust this my clutch movement, I have to rotate. I open this my thing, and I can rotate this part in this way, and now this clutch movement is different, and also in another direction I can adjust a little bit, like couple of, like 1 centimeters. And then when I have changed this, like in this position, final step is that I carefully lock that situation, and then this lock nut, I fasten this lock nut in well in this way. Good. And now this adjustment has been made, and this is like this clutch pedal adjustment, that if we have bad movement, loosen or too much tolerance, we can adjust this thing like in these Toyota cars, and I believe that many other cars also. Good. That kind of information to you, my friend, and see you in next movie.